7 godina od kad to radimo zajedno sa liderom. Drago nam je da ste nam se i ove godine odazvali ovako velikom broju. Drago nam je vidjeti da svake godine u stvari privlačimo sve veći broj sudionika na ovoj konferenciji, što znači da izgleda pogađamo temu, s druge strane da dovodimo zanimljive predavače, tako da iskreno se nadam da ćemo danas opraviti povjerenje.
We're working a lot on the Internet of Things, ecosystems, innovation, and mobile future is also hard big data, hard Internet of Things.
I would say Peter is the Pope in terms of purchasing strategy. We have been working with him since quite a long time now. And 10 years ago, over 10 years ago, I asked him if he was interested to become the owner of the EIP and Peter Classic Award. So every year he accepted, and every year we're delivering an award for the best organization and the best practices in terms of in procurement, such as the best practice for process, best practice for people, for sustainability, and so on and so forth. So,
I think it's managing through the complexity that we see today. So there are many topics: artificial intelligence, digitization, robotics. How do you really put all this together and handle it? So building a framework within an organization that helps you to do that, this is the real challenge. Problem is maybe overstating it. I think it's really up to us to rise to the challenge, and we have to build the capabilities, get the right people, get the right help in place in order to be able to meet all of the challenges that we have and in the end be successful.
Meni se čini da je nabava više od ostalih djelatnosti svjesna koliko je kvaliteta podataka ključna za primjenu metoda umjetne inteligencije i za općenito korištenje podataka u procesu poslovnih odlučivanja. To znači da nabava svjesna je da ima dodatni interes da se upotrebi bilo koji dostupan alat da bi se ta kvaliteta podataka poboljšala u čim kraćem roku. I zbog tog razloga ja bih rekao da je nabava čak više prijemčiva za rješenja umjetne inteligencije u, na primjer, klasifikaciji spenda, upravo iz tog razloga jer su svjesni važnosti kvalitete podataka.
The reason why we brought in, I would say, data science into procurement at our organization was that we found some limits in using the traditional tools like Excel, where the amount of data that we were going through was really over-exceeding the capacity of what Excel is capable of. So we had to come up with something that would actually help us to work with, I would say, bigger data. So the approach that I took was to look for people who have mathematics or statistics education from their school and would also have some sort of business understanding or business acumen.
I think that we need a combination. On one hand, generate more information and knowledge from markets in order to create some understanding of what is happening around us, and also use digital technologies to analyze the data, because it's too complex for human beings to analyze everything and understand what is happening globally. It's like with the Formula 1 driver. Yes. In his car, right? There's a lot of technology around him, and he cannot win a race by only following what the computer says. Yeah. He has to dare something different every now and then, cut a corner or based on his gut feeling, right? That's the courage that you can win the match.
Yes.